Good morning. Welcome to Math 3. So we have people that are in person in this class. We have people that are remote in this class. So I'm just going to give you a quick overview of what you should be looking for in Math 3. We're first going to go to our Courses tab. We're going to click the black one that says Math. It says Face-to-Face Math 3 class. Within here, you're going to have your updates page. This is where I'm going to post every single day. I'll have the link to our Google Meet if we're meeting on Google. Again, keep in mind, if you are in cohort B, you are going to be in person first, while everyone else is remote, which means you are essentially teaching yourself the lessons, doing it asynchronously. If you have questions, by all means email me and we can work that out. But those in person are going to be the ones being taught by me. Those that are remote are essentially going to be having an asynchronous class because we cannot have the 3-hour Google Meet at the same time as I am teaching the in-person students. So right here will be what that information is. Over here on this right-hand side is your assignments. So for instance, you will notice that today was an asynchronous day, which means you guys were doing a lesson and then you are filling out these assignments. So you'll always have an assignment that's notes. Every lesson, whether you're in person or whether you're online doing it yourself, you should be taking notes. Even if it's just writing down a couple things from the lessons, they don't have to be super long, they don't have to be super detailed, but you do need to turn in notes. It also says participation. Again, that's for if we're actually doing the Google Meets or if you're in person. If you are remote, you just need to turn in the notes and that will be sufficient for your participation. And then you have 2 assignments. Typically every day we will have 2 assignments. Sometimes we might have 3. Sometimes we might have 1. Again, it all depends on how difficult the material is. Then you will move into the materials. So right here, you guys won't see these bottom ones. These ones are unpublished for you. You'll only see the Start Here button, which you've already clicked on to get this video, and then you see Session 1. Under Session 1, you have 20 days. Again, you don't get to see all of these, you only get to see the ones that are posted, so currently you have this Day 1 lesson, then we'll have Day 2, Day 3, and all of those. So if you click on each day, it will give you everything you are completing. So first thing, objectives. Just read through those. Second thing is always going to be where you can submit your notes. Obviously, you cannot submit your notes until you go down and do the lessons, but I put the notes first as your very first assignment that you should be submitting. Then from there, you'll have again 1, 2, maybe sometimes 3 lessons. It all depends on how difficult they are, in which there will be a section right here where you can read about it. So if you click on that link, it will take you to a specific page that tells you more about it, just reading. And then there's a video here where you can click on the video to watch them explain it, and this is where you're going to be taking the notes from. So if they go through 2 examples, then that's what you should have written down. And then it says on the next page, practice is going to be on the next page. So right here, your puzzle piece is going to be your practice, kind of like your homework assignment / in-work assignment. You will have 3 times to take this every single assignment to improve your grade. So if you take it the first time and you get a C and you're happy with that, awesome, you don't have to take it again. If you take it the first time and you get an F and you want to redo that, perfect. You have 3 times for every single assignment to redo it. So then again down here you have another lesson and another assignment. So once you watch these 3 videos, you would then submit your notes right here. You're going to click on this page, and right up here is going to be a button to have you submit. Again, this is the teacher's page, so this is what it looks like. And then you will complete the 2 assignments that go with those right here. Every single Friday, I want to show you what a Friday looks like. So I'm going to go back to all my days. So the day 6 is going to be our Friday. Every single Friday is going to be a test or an assessment, a quiz / test from that week. So covers everything from that week. That's the only thing that will be on Fridays is a test. So again, if that test takes you 3 hours, awesome. It shouldn't. If it doesn't take you 3 hours, the rest of the time will be yours and notice it says right here, to complete missing assignments. So you can take the test and then take extra time that day to finish any missing assignments that you have from throughout the week. That is our class in a nutshell. Again, down here on this left-hand side shows my cell phone number, and it shows my email address. You can text, you can email. I don't answer a lot of phone calls if I don't know your numbers, but you can try to call. And I will be available for this class. I'm teaching the in-person part from 7:30 to 10:30. But if you have any questions as a remote student, you can email during that time and I will get back to you as soon as I can.